Good evening, everybody. While sitting in traffic, I was thinking maybe I should make everybody aware of safety again. Seems like some people, they just don't care about safety anymore. When dusk or dawn, overcast, raining, some vehicles, if they don't have their lights on, you are not able to see them. And some people think while they can see, other people should see them. People, please, when it's overcast, early in the morning, or just starting to sunset, switch on your lights, please, so that you can be visible. We truck drivers, we have a 22-meter long vehicle, and we cannot see the rear of our trailer sometimes, as the sun is shining in the mirrors. It's blinding us, so we cannot see. And if your lights is not on, you are in a risk of getting in an accident. Please, guys, it's for your own safety and the safety of your fellow road users and the safety of your family with you. Okay, guys, enjoy your night. Have a great stay.